So, Death and the Maiden, invasion, boundaries violated, dominance. So, for some of you, no, ang nakikita ko rito, no, mga um, Libra, no, for some of you, no, you are being, parang sabihin natin, you are being trapped or you are being prisoned of a situation, no, na nagpapahirap sa inyo, no, something like that, no, parang may nagko-control, you feel someone is controlling, no, something like that, no, or yeah, no, merong mga sitwasyon na maybe for some of you, no, maybe dumaan kayo sa abusive sitwasyon, relationship, what else? I mean, something na may sabihin natin pwede ring physical abuse for some of you, no? Kumbaga, nawala yung karapatan ninyo bilang tao, bilang kung, 'di ba, bilang isang tao, no? Something like that, no? Kumbaga, parang kinontrol kayo ng tao na ito, no? Ginawa kayong yung wala kayong kalayaan, no, or you are, yeah, 'di ba, parang ito yung nakikita ko sa inyo, no, napaka-sad, no, something like that ng mga Libra natin, no. So, maybe for some of you, ang nakikita ko rin dito, nagkakaroon kayo ng boundaries, no, for to someone na nagbibigay sa inyo ng sakit, ng mabigat na pain, no, something like that, no, pain sa inyong puso, no, something like that, no, na nagpahirap sa inyo ng ang nakikita ko rito, no, ang matagal ka nung hinawakan ng tao na ito, matagal kayong kinontrol, no, something like that, no, at maybe ngayon ay unti-unti na rin for some of you, no, kailangan nyo dito magkaroon ng boundaries, no, kasi nga ay abusive person, kung sino man ito, no, you are in this kind of situation, no, something like that, no, mga Libra natin, no. So, maybe for some of you, kailangan dito magkaroon ka ng mga decision na isipin at unahin ang sarili mo, no? Something like that, no, mga Libra natin, no? Nasa isang sitwasyon ka na ang hirap gumalaw, no? Something like that, no? So maybe you need help, no? Seek some help, hingi ka ng tulong sa mga relatives mo if you are in this kind of situation, right? No, mga Libra natin, parang ambigat, no? Something like that, no? Merong parang, yeah, parang you are in prison, eh, no, ng from someone na napakalupit, no,